Is there anything else on your radar that you would put on ours, Alan, with regard to this sort of, I'm not going to say political quagmire, let's just say, the various cases that are unfolding as we're heading into, in many ways, the heart of the election season?
Right. I think there will not be a trial of Hunter Biden. I think Hunter Biden will try to make a plea bargain where he admits all of the factual allegations against him, but tries to preserve for appeal the issue of whether or not there was double jeopardy, whether or not the other issues, the Second Amendment precludes him being tried for gun charges. I think that's the way it's going to be resolved. He will get a probationary sentence, not a prison term, and I don't believe there'll be a full-fledged trial in the middle of the election. I think the election cycle will be dominated by the trials of Donald Trump.
And is it likely that Trump could also get out? Do you foresee any scenario in which he might go to jail?
I don't. I think that he'll be convicted in those jurisdictions where 90% of the jury pool voted against him, like Washington, D.C., or Fulton County, where 75% voted against him. But I think there'll be reversals on appeal, and I don't think that he will be imprisoned. Of course, in Georgia, there is a mandatory prison term if he is convicted, and that's possible, but it will be stayed pending appeal, and the case will eventually get to the federal courts and maybe even to the Supreme Court.
Thank you very much, Alan. I look forward to continuing the conversation.
Anytime. Thank you.
Thanks.